Have you ever really looked at an elephant? Massive, majestic, and surprisingly gentle, right? But hold on, because there's a wild secret hiding in plain sight. You might think those giant ears are just for show or to help them cool down, which they do. But that's not the whole story. Elephants can actually hear through their feet. No, I'm not kidding. They pick up low-frequency rumbles, called infrasound, from other elephants through the ground. These vibrations travel up their legs and into their inner ear. This means they can communicate with herds that are miles and miles away, sending warnings or just saying hello. So next time you see an elephant stomping its feet, it might just be having a long-distance conversation. Nature truly is incredible, isn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Thanks for watching.